Hey guys, I'm Nick with LBK Design Build. Today we're at our Carriage House project, which we're very excited about. This building was built in 1908, so it's got some history to it. Up top in the second story, we're going to be building a one-bedroom apartment over a two-car garage. So let's go in and take a look. The apron to our Carriage House is an old clay brick, some of which is spalling and dipping, but we're going to be replacing any damaged bricks to maintain this old historic look. So here in the Carriage House, we're going to be rehabbing the floor. We're going to be taking out all the old concrete and pouring new slabs with new drainage. Behind me here you can see a staircase and a 6x6 post, which is holding up this beam supporting the center of the building. We're going to be removing this staircase, so in order to support the structure, we're going to pour two concrete footings with a PSL beam that spans the front to the back of the building to support the load. Upstairs in the Carriage House, this section of the space will be used for living and dining, cooking and eating. So behind me here, we'll have all of our lower cabinets and appliances, seating area over here underneath the window, and an entryway over here to my right. Here you can see our cupola, which we described to you from the exterior. All this framing on the interior of the cupola is going to be braced and removed. And with the new installation of the windows surrounding the exterior, this should let in a lot of natural light into the space. Our center staircase, which we described to you from the downstairs, this is going to be removed. The floor will get patched, and our entryway to the second story will be on the exterior of the building. So this portion of the space is going to be the bathroom and the bedroom area. Our bed will be arranged here, and under here, underneath our window, we're going to build a wall, which will house our bathroom. Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed our site walkthrough. Check in with Julie on the next video for the design phase of the project.